morning, traders. 15-minute chart, SMCI, which has been in a long-term downtrend. We have finally got a 30-minute move higher. So as we climb up $32 off of the low, we're going to take profits in the option market. Okay. And here are the call options on the 780 calls. The low is 25 and the high is printing at 38 by 39. When we go back to the breakout, we're going to continue to let it run before we actually exit the trade. Join us in our live trading room. We can work together as a team on the entries, the exits, and the stop losses and do everything. We have a great platform. You can open an account with us and we will take you much higher. Once again, SMCI is up $17 on the 15-minute chart. Knowing how long to let the winner run is the key to this intraday morning opening bell trade.